This is how to change the door handle on your 9395. They're all the same, front, back, left, right. It's just one screw for when that happens and it breaks the mount on the back. Common fault. So when it's broke, it's going to come off in your hand. You're going to undo the screw, take the broken piece out with your T30, and that's what you're left with. That's the door cable. That's the bit that attaches to it. So you literally, if I can get a decent shot, which I probably can't, line it up, push it into place, and that'll hold just with your hand. Make sure it's got hold of the cable, and then with your T30 again, popping the screw back in. And it's all connected up. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.